Hello guys, welcome back to my hair studio. This week I'm back with another video, and this time is going to be all about this wig here. It's going to be crochet braid. Previously I did plan to have a full head crochet braid with side parting, but when I was doing it, and that's why I like sometimes to pre-do some of the hair, then something may pop up in my head and I can change my mind and do it differently. So, but then when I was doing it, I get somewhere here, something pop in my head that, you know what, as a silver hair, it really looks gorgeous and I like the curls and how it looks so far. And I just thought to myself, well, it's not common to have curly hair with forward fringe, so I was intrigued to change. Instead of doing the full head crochet braid with the side parting, I changed my mind then, and I said to myself, okay, I'm going to carry on doing the crochet from the back, and then getting close to the front, I'll just lead a forward fringe and see how it looks like. So I just thought it would look nice because it's not common to see curly hair with forward fringe. So I'm intrigued to see how it looks like. I haven't done it before. I'm excited and I can't wait till I get it done. Hopefully you would like it. Also, the extension I used this week, that's how the extension looks like. I bought it from Sleek. It's already curled and a silver color. Here we go. So far I've done 3 pack, which isn't bad at all for curly hair. Usually with this amount of hair you would probably use more than 3, and I'm guessing it's going to take me between 5 to 6 pack, but I will let you know guys in the comment section below how many pack I'm using to achieve the style. So I hope you will like it. If you are new to the channel and if this is your first time watching, thank you so much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please just click the subscribe button down below, get yourself subscribed, and any new video I upload, you will be among the first people to see it. Also, if you like today's video, don't forget to click the like button for me. That would let me know that you like today's video, and it would also let me know that you like the kind of videos I am uploading. So here we go, my friends. Can't wait till I start it, and if you are interested to see how I do this, keep watching, enjoy the video, and I catch up with you in my next video. Bye bye.